let's try another subject. You can take anything. We continue to try this. So you can see, right? So how you actually move through all this, right? You ask open-ended questions. You affirm. You say, yeah, yes, this is like that. Yes, and then you listen. You try to guess. Then you try to join the dot. It's okay if it's wrong. You use the pronoun you. You don't ask questions. These are statements. It ends with yes. The way you talk is different. So we try one more round. We try. Then after that, I be the patient. Then you all be the okay. We swap around. So
I find that after proper meal must always have dessert. Without dessert, like it's not complete.
Okay. So we only have 10 minutes to talk about this today. Do you think today we can talk about eating desserts after meals? What do you think about this?
I know after a meal, my blood sugar already up, but I still I always tell myself I have 2 stomachs, one for proper meal, one for dessert.
Okay. So you know that your diabetes will get worse if you eat dessert after your proper meal, but at the same time you are in 2 minds about it.
Yes.
But somehow desserts will make me feel happy.
You feel extremely happy after you take the dessert.
Very sleepy.
So very sleepy. Okay.
Yeah.
So on one hand you feel very very happy.
Yeah. The other hand.
And on the other hand you feel very sleepy.
Doctor, I think my habit of eating desserts after meals stems from like a family habit lah.
Oh.
So after meal time, when eating outside, usually we will go have some simple desserts, whether hot or cold, maybe like tau suan or something. Yeah. And so I think this caused the problem of me wanting to eat desserts every time.
You really want to stop eating desserts, but at the same time eating desserts appears to have a symbolic meaning to your family, and you feel that without it the family meal is not complete.
But if I don't eat dessert after a meal, my family might think like, oh, what's wrong with you? Because usually you always eat with us afterwards, then why now you want to stop eating with us? Are you unhappy with us, or is there something wrong?
You are afraid that other people will judge you on whether you are sick if you don't eat dessert after your meal.
I'm not sure whether any way that I can stop eating dessert.
Yeah. You are not. Wait, a bit disjointed from the previous. You really want to stop eating dessert to control your diabetes, but as you told me, you are in 2 minds about it. You are unsure of how to quit without the family members judging you.
I will tell myself I will share, but usually I will eat more. Like I try to cut down, since this made me happy, so I thought I eat less and I share, but at the end of the day I take 3/4. The person who share with me maybe take less.
So I can see that you are trying very hard to cut down with all your efforts. You have even tried alternatives like sharing with other people, and you could be thinking of other alternatives as well.
I find it affect my relationship with my family, how they judge me later.
You are very concerned about spoiling the relationship in the family, but at the same time you know that by sharing with other people you can have the best of both worlds.
Like what you mentioned just now, you are right in saying that eating dessert has a symbolic meaning to me within the family, because eating dessert also provides a form of bonding and quality time with the family. So in that aspect, it's particularly hard for me to not eat desserts.
Yeah. You feel that bonding with the family can only be achieved by eating dessert. But at the same time, you lost already. It's not the usual way we talk every day, so after a while get lost. Yeah. Okay. Sorry. So you are somebody who values the family time during the dinner, and and you want to show your respect to the elders at the dinner by following them and eating things that they are eating as well. So to summarize, you really want to stop reducing taking desserts after food. But at the same time, you want to show your respects to the other people at the dinner and you want to maintain your family bond. So and because of that, I can see you are doing very hard to make a compromise by sharing the dessert with other people or putting less sugar or whatever other alternatives. Am I right? Yeah, to summarize.